doesn't appear to be quite as well organized right now, Travis, but again, we may be having some radar difficulties with respect to the angle in which we're looking at stuff. Notice, again, how it makes this angle right here, right in the immediate Jinx area. So this, again, would be the top of the comma head with a very strong inflow right there. And then we're getting this outflow all in this area, which is very, very strong winds. And therefore, the actual circulation is more than likely in this general area between Glenpool, Jinx, and headed generally up towards the Broken Arrow area as we speak. So certainly some very strong winds indicated on radar as we're looking at the velocity display. I'm going to try to show you that, and as I look at the reflectivity, you see a really tight, really tight gradient there. So it's really got some strong winds with it.
Okay, thank you, Dick. Appreciate that. Let's go to Vaughn and go back to radar, live radar from him. Vaughn, what do you have?
Hey, Travis, I'm still sitting here at 131st. I'm just about 3 miles northeast of Dixie. I was having really strong easterly winds about 2 minutes ago, and they have abruptly changed to the south now. So I think I'm getting ready to get this, what do you call him? Get the call gust run or whatever he was saying.
Yes.
Right now, which I'm just northeast of Dixie.
Okay, yeah, and that's it's barreling in on Bixby right now. And again, there's if we get power flashes as Darren was mentioning, you know, that's going to obviously indicate extremely strong winds. A lot of times you get a little nervous that can also cause, or you can also see a potential for a tornado. So we're going to keep our eyes open on that circulation feature. As Dick was mentioning, just south of Jinx now. Looks like it could be someplace around Lewis at this time. We have several different streaming videos coming in. Still no confirmation of a tornado having touched down, but very strong damaging winds. So again, that's why we're asking you to stay away from outside windows and walls. Okay, go ahead.
Travis, yeah, this is Vaughn again.
Yep.
I just got about probably 45 to 55 mile an hour wind gusts right here, just northeast of Dixie.
Okay, so that's the bulge coming on through right now. It still looks like we're in the middle of it in terms of with the strongest part of the storm coming through. You're still getting a lot of lightning on that?
Yeah, I just had a car, about 60 mile an hour gust right now, Travis. I just had a car that went west on the road I'm sitting on, and it completely disappeared, light completely disappeared. I'm assuming the rain is between me and that car, and the winds have just picked up to about 60 at least.
Okay. And that's what we think is happening right now, is that we're having a just an awfully intense wind damaging event again for South Tulsa. If you're in this area, you've got to stay away from windows and walls and kind of get ready to move into a safe place, shelter in the middle of your home. That's the situation right now there. Also, we're looking at who's on top, bottom. Okay. Katie's on the bottom side there. Okay. And we're continuing to track that storm. Dick, I tell you, as we're looking at that bulge coming out of the big Matt.
Matt back there because he had rapid rain curtains.
Okay, Matt, are you there? Matt? No, Matt. Vaughn, are you still there? Okay, right in that area, Dick. And if you could open both of our mics, I know our audio guys are working awful hard right now, making sure we get everybody on the air. As we look at that bulge that's just shot across the Bixby area, that looks like it could be 70, 80 mile an hour winds possible.
It really does, Travis, because it has really accelerated eastward. As it goes eastward like that, it really is responsible for the very strong winds. Okay, so we have some video there.
That's the weather aid. Okay, there. That's what we're looking at. Sorry, I'll go back to radar here real quick, and hopefully we can get Matt on online with us here. Oh, just take it, speaker.
Okay, now exactly where is Matt?
He is in the middle of it right now. And do you have him back there? Okay.
You're on the air live right now, Matt.
Matt, you're with me. Go ahead, tell us your exact location, what you have.
Travis, I just came into an area here at Minor Memorial, and I had southeast gusts approach over 60, probably closer to 70 miles an hour, and a rain curtain that I could see approaching me from my southeast. We had about 4 to 5 power flashes just on the north side of the 6th turnpike here that would be in the 71st, maybe 98th and Memorial area. I have gone, visibility is completely gone at this time.
Okay, we're watching you stream right now, so you're still in that location. Are you still, do you think that you just passed by a possible tornado, or you think it was just damaging wind?
I'm not sure. It hit me so fast.
Okay.
It came from the southeast, and it seemed to be wrapping back around toward the northwest. So it did seem that there was some sort of rotation there, but with it being dark and the rain